Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook account. So if you want to disconnect your account from Facebook, you can always go to let me see, we can always go to your settings and we're gonna go to connect our account. So we're gonna disconnect our account with Facebook, and we're gonna have like only Apple account that are connected to my account on on my account for Monopoly Go. But if you want to like change or unlink this account, unlink Monopoly Go from Facebook account, you can always go to your settings and privacy. You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna go to apps and websites. So after we go, you're gonna see right here Monopoly Go are linked. So I'm gonna remove it. All right, and I'm gonna remove the account and unlink it from my from this app completely. So that way I'm unlinked to Facebook account on my Monopoly Go. So if I restarted this game, will probably be without my Facebook account. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow and hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.